Welcome to the Art of Bookbinding tutorial. This guide provides resources for the history of bookbinding, information for those wanting to start bookbinding as a hobby, and provides a brief introduction of bookbinding for kids. It is a top-nav guide with tabs for home, history, hobby, and resources for kids. You'll notice each page has a welcoming image that reiterates the title of the page, but it also has alt text for those using a reader. Scrolling down to the left, you'll see a quote I've selected about bookbinding, 3 databases for an introduction to bookbinding, picture of me, and a way to contact me. Next tab is history. To the left, you'll see I recommend 3 books to check out, brief description, and the information required to locate the items. To the right, patent, bookbinding machine invented by Daniel E. Woodhull in 1908. Here we have British Library's database of bookbinding, contains gallery of bookbindings. A place to visit. In San Francisco, California, American Bookbinders Museum is located. It is the only museum dedicated to bookbinding in the U.S. Lastly, we have additional resources, an article on bookbinding, select more for the citation if needed, and then a blog by Modern Day Bookbinder about the history of vellum and parchment. Next tab is Hobby. Scrolling down, books to check out on the left, their descriptions, the information needed to locate them. On the right, we have 2 video tutorials for beginner and advanced bookbinders. These videos have closed captions if needed. Bottom left, we have supplies. You can visit this site to purchase and even learn more about bookbinding supplies. Last page, resources for kids. We have 2 recommendations on this page, their descriptions, but also note there are age recommendations for these items. And then a video for teachers wanting to introduce bookmaking in their classroom. That was the final page, but we'll go back to the home page to remind you if you have any questions, please contact me and enjoy the LibGuide.